Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. We've got the Skysurfer. We're going to Maiden it. It's just a kit I put together. We're going to give her a Maiden to see if I can figure out how to fly this thing. Hold on, my ailerons are off. Alright, let's see what we can do. Yeah, flying mid-rates right now. Not bad. Basically, it's a Bixler. Not bad at all. Yeah, not a bad flying plane. Probably not going to be able to see her that well.
Low rate. High rate.
Yeah, that's a good flying plane right there. Probably not going to be able to see it though. That's kind of a white and pink plane. And we've got a white, pink, blue sky. Here.
4 minutes.
Yeah, that's a happy little plane. Very much a happy little plane.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, folks, well, you know when I don't talk, it's because I'm kind of nervous. But it's a happy little plane. Boy, she floats forever, so. I have to take her way out there. Bring her in. Now, let's see if I can do with her, I can do with a lot of the other planes like that. Probably not. Didn't think so. But anyways. All right, folks. That was the Skysurfer UAV, whatever you want to call it. It's a kit. Buy it for 36 bucks on Value Hobby. I think $13 shipping, and you have to put it all together and add your own electronics. But hey, It was a nice little thing to put together, and it flies. Basically, it's a Bixler. Same thing. Well, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a dirty plane. God bless.